What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charge It Up. For today's video, we're going to talk about a quad lock phone mount for the R6. Let's go. Let's get right into it, guys. This is the quad lock motorcycle fork stem mount. Then we have the motorcycle vibration dampener and the Galaxy Note 9 case because I've got the Note 9 phone, obviously. Let's go ahead and open up all three boxes, see what's inside. All right, got the quad lock motorcycle fork stem mount. Not really specific for any motorcycle per se. There's nothing else in the box, just that. Let's get that out of the way. We've got some stickers for the cabinet. York. All right, we've got the, looks like the locking mechanism. Cool, let's put that aside. Oh, that comes in two pieces with a screw and everything. All right, so there's that with the blue color. There's the little quad lock tool that they give you. Got the bigger size and the smaller size right there, depending on how big your fork stem hole is. We got that. All right, so you can easily manipulate that and take that off and put the bigger one on if need be. Interesting. And then get that out of the way. We've got the, looks like the material that you would need or that you don't need. Ah, there it is. Pictures are always good. All right, so that's that. Let's open up the next two boxes. So this is the motorcycle vibration dampener. All right, so we got another tool, another little Allen key tool there. A piece of cardboard that can go, and that would probably go on the back of it before your phone goes down. And we've got another instruction manual here, which we'll go through for the install. Let's put that aside. And last but not least, obviously the phone lock or the phone case. The case feels nice for the Note 9. That looks nice. Button areas feels nice. That's cool. Currently got my Charge It Up one on here. Let's go ahead and take this one off and go ahead and put on the quad lock one. All right. So far, so good. Install 1 complete. So that's the quad lock for the Note 9. It's nice. It's actually a little beefy, but you know what? When you're riding around, it's not too bad. I'm probably only going to be using it for riding with the R6. So most of the time it's going to be the Charge It Up one anyway. So, or nothing, to be honest with you. But yeah, let's go ahead and put that aside and go on with the installation. Quickly skim the instructions here. All right, let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and proceed with step one. Step one is aligning the rivets, the actual metal pieces with the plastic. Right there, that's aligned on both sides. And then we're gonna go ahead and take off the top piece completely and get it ready for install. The little rubber piece that comes out of the top, that's cool. And we're good to go and put that in the bike. So this is the mount portion that goes into the stem like so. And then with the tool that's provided, we're going to reach in there. Let's reposition this. Don't have to turn it that much. Just so it's nice and snug. Hand tight for now, at least. And that's that for that. Next. All right, step 2, because we don't have to change out the spacers. This is the old bigger spacer we don't need for the R6 at least. So we're gonna put this piece right back in there, like so. And then we grab the piece that we took off from this side right here, and then we simply just put that back in. All right, just hand tight for now. Not gonna do much, that's good. What I will do until we put the phone on, so we'll bring this straight up and then tighten that. And then we will loosen this guy just to get the phone situated, and then we'll figure out the positioning afterwards. Third step to installing is you have that screw on top right there with the Allen key head on top like so, and you're just going to tighten that down just by hand for now. We'll tighten up everything afterwards. All right, so let's go ahead and grab our phone. Okay, so very simple. Push down and then put it angle, and that's it. And it's on, just like that. All right, so that's how the quad lock will look once it's installed. No adjustments done yet. The phone is going to be situated like so. Not hard at all to install, and then we're just making some adjustments to where, how I want it for when you're riding. Okay, on my end, there's a step 4 because I did order the vibration dampener, but we do have to take off the phone, and we got to take off the third step, this portion right here, in order to add the vibration dampener first. So let's go ahead and take this off, and we'll put the dampener on. All right, the vibration dampener has another screw at the bottom, or a bolt right here, an Allen bolt at the bottom. Let's go ahead and attach that. Not very hard whatsoever. Again, for now, we'll just do hand tight, and then grab the piece that you just took off, the last one, and you put this on like so. Again, just hand tight for now, but that's it. That is the vibration dampener. Okay, we're gonna come in here, we're gonna put it on a 45, and then that's it right there. Another thing that you can do is push this down, turn it all the way, and now it's locked in a landscape position in case you're using maps or something like that, and I don't know, maybe you're watching a movie while you're riding. That's funny. Anyways, not funny at all. Let's go ahead and move it back to the position that most likely we'll be using it in, which is that. We'll get on the bike, make some adjustments, and go from there. All right, guys, so made some adjustments. Not really. It's maybe like a tiny one tick lower than where it was. Got on the bike, made some adjustments. I obviously sat on it, moved it around just to see where I want it to be, and yeah, that's pretty much where I want it to be. And then we'll definitely test it while riding and see how it works, especially with gloves on and stuff like that. So we'll test it out and go from there. Not a hard thing to put on the bike whatsoever. Literally maybe like 3 to 5 minute install. And I've heard really good things about quad lock, so let's go ahead and try it out. Woohoo! Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Quick install of the quad lock fork stem mount from Quad Lock, obviously. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell for future videos on the R6, just like this one right here. What? Till the next one, guys.